Hey YouTubers, Mike Boards with the Mike Boards channel. Thank you for watching. If you're joining us from previous videos where we installed the hinges on the door, we also installed the other hinges on the actual storage unit. We also drilled the holes and installed the door handles on the doors. Glad to have you. Now it's time to take the actual doors and install them on the storage unit. What we're going to do is connect the two hinges together. Let's get started. I'll be showing you two things. The first thing I want to show you is an actual hinge that is not installed on the door. However, the hinge that it connects to is already installed on the storage unit. Look at these two little clips here, and on the back side you can see hooks, one on the top, one on the bottom. And as you shift the door into place, you will insert this on those hooks and shift the door in until it clicks. And you will follow this exact procedure on all four hinges. I'll show you one additional hinge. Again, loop it around those hooks, and once you get it on the hook, again, shift it into place until it clicks. At this point, I want to go grab the door. This is the second thing I want to show you. The hinges will be already installed on the door, and we are going to shift the door into position and show you how all four hinges, both the middle as you can see here, as well as one upper hinge, which is a soft closing feature, and one additional hinge all the way at the bottom, which is also a soft closing feature hinge. At this point, I am on the opposite side of the storage unit, and I have taken the door and connected the two middle hinges. And I recommend connecting the middle hinges first, and I also recommend installing this door on the hinges with an additional person to help support the door as you feed the door onto the hinges. Now I want to go down all the way to the bottom. As you can see here, I'm going to carefully extend this, and just like we previously talked about, you want to hook it on the back side and connect it. This bottom hinge is now on and secure. Let's hop to the top. And up at the top, the exact same procedures apply to the top hinge. You may need to close the door slightly to align that hinge properly. And as you do, shift it into place. You will hear it click. Double check everything that is properly aligned. And before shutting the actual door, do another thorough inspection of all hinges. Make sure that they are on and secure. That's it. I hope the video helped. Do us a favor, below the video you will see that thumbs up icon. Click on that, like the video, subscribe to the channel. Definitely go to your settings, turn on your YouTube notification bell. Once you do that, every video that we upload, you will be notified. You will be able to stay up to date with us, and that will be awesome. Thanks again.